I just bought a physical copy of a Lost Sea on my PlayStation 4. Can you see my PlayStation 4 is at the back? And then Eid Mubarak to everyone, or my viewer, Eid Mubarak. So I just bought a physical copy of a Lost Sea. I watched some review, a lot of people are giving like 5 out of 10 score and they're saying the gameplay not unique, it suck, whatever the crap. This is my first, rare game is going to be. If you don't know what is a Lost Sea game, Lost Sea is an indie game which you can easily buy for 15 bucks. You can download it digitally, but they are physical copy released by limited run. They offer like 3000 physical copy. The limited run say you can grab 2 copy per customer, but I only bought 1. I was thinking to buy 2 copies and sell on eBay for like 100 bucks. But I said, why should I do that? There are many people who are looking for a physical copy. Let them buy. I'm happy with my 1 copy. The point of making this video is that, how to say that, my brain feel, I don't know how to say. In years, I do not game a lot. I really do not game a lot. Up to right now, only the game I complete on my PlayStation 4 is like Metal Gear Ground Zero. Which is again like 2-hour game. I do not game a lot. Like gaming is, I was born like, my best gaming era was the PlayStation 2 and the original Xbox and GameCube era. I like platforming type game a lot, but in this era, I'm not so much impressed by the gaming. But suddenly the Lost Sea game pop up. I said to myself, Jimmy, why not just download my PlayStation 4 and then see? I said no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to try and then see should I buy the physical copy. I'm just going to grab a copy. After grabbing the copy for like 40 bucks, 25 US dollars for the price and 15 US dollars shipping to South Korea. I don't know, say I feel so much happy that I can't explain the feeling. If I just download a physical copy, I would not feel the same way. My feeling is like I'm going to get a game which is like action adventure game, 3D action adventure game with a lot of exploration in it. Exploring it, and everything is like procedural generator, content, and they're going to have a physical copy. I will be taking care of my loss here a lot. I'm so happy with it. I'll be doing a full in-depth review with the unboxing. So this is my like first limited run game. I'm super happy. I can't wait. The game will I think so like it will take 2 weeks from USA to come here in Korea. I'm super happy. Yeah. Let me know, are you excited for a Lost Sea? If you order your physical copy of a Lost Sea, let me know. Subscribe. Bye.